Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text, emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling feature. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. Admin user. Enter the name of the administrative user for the server. Fedora37, desktop environment settings. Link, desktop environment installation. Ubuntu server settings. XRDP server settings. Japanese environment settings. Desktop environment installation. Install the desktop environment. Start the desktop. The terminal may freeze after setting, so please open the terminal again and proceed with the setting. Configure login settings. Restart. Note: please install either Ubuntu server or XRDP server. If you install both, you may not be able to display it. We recommend XRDP server. Ubuntu server settings. Install a Ubuntu server. Log in as the user you want to set up a Ubuntu connection with, and set a password, up to 8 alphanumeric characters, on the Ubuntu server. Create a Ubuntu server configuration file. Enable the Ubuntu server to be used with root privileges. Start the Ubuntu server. Restart. Download Ultra Ubuntu on your client PC. There is a download link at the bottom of the page. Select 32-bit or 64-bit and click Download. Select I accept the above listed conditions, and click Download. Double-click the downloaded Ultra Ubuntu icon to install it. Click Windows Start menu, and start Ultra Ubuntu Viewer. Enter the IP address and display number of the Ubuntu server you started earlier and click Connect. Enter your Ubuntu password and click Log on. The desktop will appear. XRDP server settings. Install and configure the XRDP server so that you can connect using the Windows Remote Desktop function. Set automatic startup. Select Accessories, Remote Desktop Connection, from the Windows Start menu to launch the connection screen. Enter the server IP address and click Connect. Enter username, and password, and click OK. The desktop will appear. Japanese environment settings. Install the Japanese environment package. Sets the system character set. Check your settings. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.